Hello, this is Miss Heffernan. I'm making this video for my amazing kindergarten students and their parents to help them log into their Seesaw account. So the first thing you're going to do after you log into your Chromebook is you are going to type clever.com/in/SDUSD into your Chrome browser. This page will pop up. My amazing student, Kate, has been kind enough to let me use her account so I can show you around. So you're going to get to this page and you're going to click on the Seesaw icon, which is right here. So you're going to head and just click on it. And as long as you are using your school provided Chromebook, this will auto-populate all into Seesaw. So you see sometimes it takes a minute. Perfect. So here we are. This is what the student page will look like in Seesaw. So you'll see your student's name will be up here in the left-hand corner, and you'll see that there is a red circle that has a number in it. That 9 is the number of activities that I have assigned to you. So if you remember on Friday when I met with you, I had said that I'm going to be loading activities just to learn how to use Seesaw. So the way you will go to these activities, you go over here to the right where it says activities, you'll click on it. And here it has all the activities that have been assigned to you. Now these first activities, I know it's 9, please don't feel intimidated. These are all really good activities that are going to teach you how to use Seesaw. So again, Kate was kind enough to let me use her account, so I'm going to show you now an example of the activities. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to practice how to use the eraser. So you're going to click on this green bar that says add response. And then the activity will load. Now these activities were not created by me, but they are really good about teaching how to use the different components of Seesaw. So if you look on the bottom here, these are the different tools. This is the moving tool, the pencil, the pen, the highlighter, the glow marker, the eraser, and then over here on the left, we have the text box, the microphone, and the camera. And when you click on the camera, you can either take a photo or a video, which is pretty awesome. So when you get to these, you're going to click play.
Hi friends, for this activity today, you need to help our little puppy friend. Do you see him? He's so covered in mud and he's just stinky and gross. So we need your help. He needs your help. What we're going to do today is you're going to practice
The sound kind of died out.
using the eraser. And remember, look at the top of your screen and you'll see the star with the picture of the eraser in it. So go to the bottom of your screen and click on the eraser. And then you need to scrub him nice and clean so that he can go home.
Okay, the sound was cutting off for some reason. So what you're going to do on this activity, you can either use your finger or you can use the mouse because these are touchscreen. So you're going to click on the eraser and then you see you can choose the size of the eraser. So let's use the big one. And then you're just going to, again, you can use your finger or you can use the little mouse area to erase all the mud off the dog. When all the mud is erased and you are finished with this activity, you're going to go up here to the right-hand corner, click on the green check mark. And then what that does is that submits the activity to me to review it. Perfect. So as you see, it says awaiting teacher approval. So then when I go and log into my account, I will go and either approve it, or if it wasn't finished, I can send it back to you to have you finished it. So then we'll see Kate. Well, remember, I'm being Kate. So we finished this activity. So now I'm going to go back over here to my activities, click on it again, and then I'll scroll down and I can complete another activity. So these are really, really good to help using Seesaw. You're practicing using the microphone, the pencil, the glow pen, the highlighter, the pen, the moving or the hand, and the video and the camera. Another really important part of Seesaw is over here in the inbox. If you click on that, it's going to list any announcements that I post. I'm going to post the links to our Zooms in these class announcements. And again, when I send an announcement, it will give you a notification stating that has been announced. So I hope this was helpful. Again, if any of you have any questions, please reach out to me. I try to be really good about getting back to you as soon as possible on Dojo. And I look forward to starting with us.